Hello kids! Today we'll prepare food with this kitchen toy and learn food names. Before we start cooking, we need to wash our hands with cold and hot water. Let's wash well. We rinse our hands and turn off the water. Look, my hands are clean. We need a bowl because we'll be making a salad. I have lettuce here, green lettuce. I'll add it to the bowl, but first I need to wash it really well to remove all the dirt. Our lettuce is clean. We can rinse it and add it to the bowl. Next, we'll add some tomato to our salad. But first we need to slice it. This is our first tomato and our second tomato. Look, I have all these slices that I'm gonna add to my salad. I'm also going to add some yellow pepper. And I also sliced it. Next, we need this vegetable. It's a carrot. Let's cut it. And let's keep on cutting. Let's slice it. And now we can add these pieces to the salad. We also need shrimp. We have prawns and shrimp. Let's first cut our prawns. These are big size. Next, let's cut our shrimp. And we'll add it to the prawns. We need to cook our prawns and shrimp. I added a bit of oil and now we cook them on both sides. Not too long because they cook very fast. Let's add some salt and let's add some pepper. And let's stir. I think our seafood is done. Let's add our tomato, our yellow pepper, our carrot, and our prawns, and our shrimp. All we have to do is mix well. I forgot one more thing. Mushroom. Let's slice it. Fresh mushroom. That will be delicious in the salad. I need another spoon. This one will do. We have a big salad. And now we're gonna add some croutons. Not too many, just a few. That's perfect. And we need some vinaigrette. Let's shake it. And let's drizzle it over our salad. And now we have to mix really well. We mixed well. Our delicious salad is ready. Our first meal is ready. And now we have to prepare the second one. And this one is going to be a burger. Here's the bun. Let's put it on a plate. And I have olive oil. Let's drizzle it on the pan. Not too much. We need to turn on the stove and use this fish. It's gonna be a fish burger. Let's put it in the pan and cook it on both sides. Our fish is cooked. We need to slice it. And we'll put one slice on our bun. Let's add a slice of tomato. And we'll use also an eggplant. Eggplants are delicious. Let's cut it first. I cut it in slices, and now it's time to cook them on the stove. Let's put one slice for now. Let's add olive oil to the pan and our eggplant. And let's cook it well. The eggplant is cooked, and now we'll add it to our burger. And I think that's it for the burger. Our burger is ready. Let's add some lettuce and also a cookie as a dessert. That's a nice meal. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.